Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. For your first assignment, you're going to go to your teams. I'm just going to click fourth period. You're going to go to your assignments. Also, make sure to comment your name below. You're going to go to your online assignments. And you're going to go to one period online assignment. You're going to click on that. Now, you're going to open the attached Word document. You're going to complete each task, turn in the assignment once it's complete, and it is due next Tuesday. So once you click on it, you're going to have lots of boxes. I'm going to show you a completed one just so you know what that looks like. Okay, so vibe check. How are you feeling? How are you doing? I want you to answer honestly and appropriately, of course. The second question, I want you to list 2 appropriate things you've been doing at home to keep yourself busy. So it could be taking care of your siblings, organizing, cleaning, whatever have you. Then number 3, this is very important. I want you to contact 5 to 8 other students and make sure you inform them that there's going to be assignments on Teams and to log on and check their emails. You can do that, or if you don't have people's numbers, you can post a story on your Instagram or Snapchat. If you are in Miss K Science class, go check out your teams and email and screenshot it and post it in the assignment box. So you can put the names of the students that you have contacted. Um, you can also insert the picture in the box right underneath. So this is really fun and funny. I love the meme. It's hilarious and just so good. All right, moving on. Do not forget to scroll down to the bottom. There's a Zoom. Oh, that's why. Oh no. Okay. I need you guys to sign up for Zoom. This is how you're gonna be able to contact me like through like a live meeting. And the links are here for you. And just screenshot. Okay, so just at the bottom, screenshot that you've signed up. Use your student email, please. Um, and I need you and whoever you live with to sign up for Remind. There is a link here, or you can simply just text the number 81010, and in your message, you need to type the period code. So for period 1, that's your code. For period 2, this is your code. Period 4, period 5, and period 6. I can see when you've signed up, so you don't need a screenshot. I can literally get a notification that you've signed up. This is just a way for me to contact you or your parent to let you know that there are assignments that are going to be on there. As far as grading goes, pretty much I'm just grading through Teams as of right now, and once Atlas is back up, I can input your grades there once we go back to school. Love you all, miss you all. Please complete the assignment. Thanks, bye.